BSE at a buying price of 59 rupees. She wants to know what should she do now. Kunal, I want to ask you about this entire capital market theme. Now, we were discussing about how defense as a theme is here to stay. The story is intact for it for the next coming years. You already know that. Is capital markets again a theme that has already run up quite a bit, but again it's a theme that is here to stay, and therefore you would still remain bullish on it?
See, I'll remain bullish on it, so far, but there are a couple of things which could emerge into the stock price trends for many of the capital market related themes. One, of course, for BSE, for the first time, I think in the last 6-7 months of this price recovery, price rally, the stock at 3,000-ish odd levels is coming into those overbought zones on the indicators. So yes, the prices have run up exceedingly high, but then you're not buying the stock at the lower end of the price curve. There's always going to be a risk that maybe the stock would rally few more percentage points from current levels, but then eventually once the cycle reverses, even if a short term basis, you would be left stranded at the higher price points for the stock price. So it's better to wait out for that cycle to play out where these stocks go into a correction and then look to buy. And the other is, I think, once we see more clarity in terms of NSE listing, that could also create some bit of volatility for stock prices for BSE. So good prices and good news, they will not come together. Right now the prices are exceptionally high, so I would probably believe in that sense. You just have to wait out for a point when the prices drop down for the stock price, and then you can look to start buying.
Right, but she should right now she's bought it at 59 rupees. So what should she do now? Should she be booking her profits?
No, I think if you've bought at 59 rupees, then yes, then there's no.
There's a large chunk of profit that she's sitting on. Then.
Exactly. Then there's no concern. Then a trade of 200 points plus minus for stock like BSE should not deter an investor like you.
Okay, so that's the view coming in on BSE, and NSE listing will keep the stock.